Hi students. So today we are going to start with Wood's reaction, another important reaction which you guys will use in order to do conversions in organic chemistry. So let's start with Wood's reaction. It's a very simple reaction. So where it is exactly used? It is used to convert any particular alkyl halide, convert the alkyl halides to alkanes. If you want to convert any of the alkyl halides to alkanes, you can use this reaction, that is Wood's reaction. So what is the catalyst that is being used for the reaction is dry ether. Why do we use dry ether for this particular reaction? Because we are going to add sodium in the reaction. So sodium needs a dry environment. That's why we use dry ether over here. Now this is the best method as in to prepare symmetrical alkenes. I hope you are clear with these terms, that what do we mean by symmetrical and unsymmetrical alkenes. Symmetrical alkenes means both the alkyl group will be same. Okay, so I'll explain it to you that what do we mean by symmetrical alkenes and what do we mean by unsymmetrical alkenes. So basically this is the best method to prepare symmetrical alkanes. Now the general reaction says that an alkyl halide, which is Rx, any Rx, alkyl halide. So R is the alkyl group, halide is represented by X, is treated with sodium, metallic sodium. In the presence of dry ether, I have already told you why do we use dry ether. To form the respective symmetrical alkane. See, both types of alkenes can be prepared, that is symmetrical, asymmetrical, both the things can be prepared. But the thing is, higher priority is given to symmetrical alkenes preparation. So we take alkyl halide Rx plus 2 moles of Na. Why I have written 2 moles of Na? Because I have taken 2 moles of Rx. Okay, Rx, both are same. 2 moles of Rx I have taken. That is why I have written 2 moles of Na. When it reacts with dry ether, it will form alkane and NaX will be released. So for example, if I take methyl bromide, this is what? This is methyl bromide. Methyl bromide, CH3Br. Methyl bromide. See, here I have taken methyl. So 2Na. Again I have taken methyl bromide. So both the alkyl groups are same. So that is why it can produce only symmetrical alkane, that is CH3. CH3 both are same. So it will form ethane and sodium bromide will be released. Okay. So this reaction is very easy, very simple. The best method to prepare symmetrical alkanes from the alkyl halide. Okay. Now in case if you have two different alkyl halides, which are reacting, such as I have taken methyl bromide CH3Br and ethyl bromide C2H5Br, then what will happen? Then mixture of 3 different alkanes will be produced. Okay, so you can see over here I have taken CH3Br and C2H5Br, different alkyl halides I have taken, and I will react them. So in that case 3 different products will be generated, or alkanes will be generated. You can see one will be ethane, one will be butane, and one will be propane. So 3 products will be formed for these type of reactions if you take 2 different alkyl halides to react. Okay, if you take similar alkyl halides and react them in the presence of sodium and dry ether, symmetrical alkane, only single product will be formed. If you take 2 different types of alkyl halide, then 3 different alkanes will be produced. So you can see ethane is produced, once butane is produced, and once propane is produced. I hope it is clear to everyone. The last important point which you need to keep in mind is methane. Methane formula is CH4. Cannot be prepared by Wood's reaction. This is a question also that methane cannot be prepared by Wood's reaction. Why? So you can see over here, since two alkyl halides are reacting with each other. So obviously, since two alkyl halides are 2 moles of alkyl halides are reacting with each other to form RR. So over here we don't have RR. We have only one R, that is one carbon. So methane cannot be prepared by Wood's reaction. Ethane onwards, all the compounds, hydrocarbons, can be prepared easily by Wood's reaction. I hope the reaction is clear to you. We'll discuss the next reaction in the next class. Thank you.